Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you another tool that can provide AI writing assistant. And you may know this software before from other use case. This tool is called Canva. Canva is really known for doing simple illustrations, doing a lot of YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, with graphics and stock images. It's a really powerful tool, but today's video is only focusing on this particular update. So the screen you're looking at right now is they've now introduced writings, Magic Write in their Canva Docs. So Canva Doc is like, Google Docs, Microsoft Word, but to add in a lot of different elements. So you can put in like photos, charts, bar graphs, all that kind of stuff. And you can do a lot of collaboration at the same time as well. But what's the interesting is they're now incorporating with the GPT-3, which is the OpenAI language model. So most of the AI writing assistants are using OpenAI GPT-3, and Canva is not different from the others as well. But it is going to be quite popular, I think. And if I jump into my free tool, so I'm now in my Canva account. So you can see it's the free account. I do want to show you, you can even get some free credits using the free account. So we look into the document inside Canva. And in here, you can start typing out whatever your topic is about. So in this case, I can put in so I'm going to do a random topic. How to plan an effective meeting. And if you want to generate an outline, you can go here and click on the plus sign. You notice that you've got this Magic Write button over here. So if you press on this, again, you can either type it in again. 5 ways to plan an effective meeting. As you can see, you get 25 Magic Writes as your account in your free account. I've already used some for testing. So I'm going to hit enter. So you can see these are the outlines for you. So start by sending out detailed agenda in a few days in advance. This will give you attendees time to prepare and help you keep the meeting on track. That have stayed relevant on the topic. So let's say if we want to expand this particular outline, what we can do is hit the plus again, hit Magic Write, and then it'll populate the outline for you. So what you can do here is click return again. And from that, it will expand this outline for you in a paragraph. So let's see if it is accurate or not. So it seems like it's actually giving you a sample. It gave you a sample of this particular headline. Interesting. So let's try another one. It might be a bit difficult for this one. You might need to tweak around a little bit in terms of the actual heading or the type of content you want the AI to generate for you. So I'm just going to hit enter again. And if we use this one, make sure you allow plenty of time for discussions and questions. If possible, schedule the meeting for a time when everyone can be fully present and focused. So this is the paragraph that comes along. When scheduling a meeting, it is important to allow plenty of time for discussions and questions. If possible, schedule. Okay, I think this one is exactly the same, almost exactly the same. It's just expanding a little bit word on it. So that is interesting. Not the best output for Canva, but I think this is now just in beta mode. So you might need to play around or wait until it's more mature on it. So I've jumped to my pro plan in Canva. And again, we'll click on the docs and then document again. I believe the pro plan, the paid plan, I think there's only 2 different versions, only a pro plan and a teams plan. And inside the Pro plan, I don't think there is a credit limit in terms of what you can generate with the AI assistant. So again, we're going to try another topic. So we'll try another topic here. We'll just hit plus. Magic Write. How to start losing weight with green juice. Let's hit enter. So it gave you like an intro and a few outlines. So if you are like a marketing person, you need to schedule like Facebook posts or like Instagram posts for your content calendar. The AI writing assistants may be useful to help you sort of generate some outlines and ideas. If you currently don't have any AI assistant tools with you and you're already using Canva, then this is something you can consider. But as I said, it has just started, and I don't know how good quality of those outputs are. So I think it's still early days about Canva. But obviously, it's a free account, so you can play around with like 25 credits. And this is just a quick update on Canva, the Magic Write feature. So if you like this kind of video, if you want me to talk about more stuff on AI writing assistants or another tool, let me know in the comments down below, and I will plan these videos ahead. If you think this was valuable, please do subscribe to my channel. It will help out the YouTube algorithm and let others know about my content. So I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you in my next video.